It's the beginning of May in Toronto. The weather is sunny, warm, and all the flowers are blooming. The real estate market is becoming more balanced. There are a lot less bidding wars, and the price asked by the seller is often the price they expect to sell. So, can we get a freehold property with a budget of 1.1 million in Markham? Hi, my name is Priscilla. I'm your real estate broker in the Greater Toronto area. Today, we will go to the southeast of Markham, Middlefield, to find an affordable house. Before looking at the property, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my weekly real estate knowledge sharing and some wonderful virtual tours. See you later. Let's have a look at the surrounding. It looks like we are in a community with one-door garage and two-door garage detached houses. The property that we are going to see looks like a double-door garage, but in reality, it's a linked house. A linked property on the surface looks like a detached home, but the difference with a detached home is that they share the same foundation. Normally, linked properties are very close to each other. But here we can see the gap between the two houses is very wide. I think that the living condition of this particular linked house is almost identical to a detached house. Let's have a look at this property. On the left of the entrance, there is a powder room. At the first sight, this property is newly renovated. The stairs is also new. On the left, there is a living room. It's also used as a family room because the TV is there. It's open concept. We have a family room with the kitchen on the right. There is a kitchen island and there are a lot of tradition-style cabinets. The kitchen island could be used as a dining table too. The background has no separation with the neighbor, so it looks really big. The yellow flowers looks beautiful, but don't be mistaken. This is dandelion. It's considered as weed grass. I guess the seller didn't live here for a while because the grass was not well maintained. Let's look again. Kitchen, family room, dining areas, and living room. Let's go to the second floor. Let's start from the left. The first bedroom is about 120 square feet facing the front street. There is a closet. The next room is about 150 square feet. There is a beautiful dome window. The design will let more lights inside the bedroom. This is a closet. Next is the shared washroom. This washroom is very big. There is a window and a premium shower. The vanity is wide and convenient. The next room is the master bedroom. It's about 300 square feet. A king-size bed, a lot of room for the nightstands. There is a sitting area. The master bedroom is facing the backyard. We can see all the dandelion. There is a 4-piece washroom, shower, double vanity, toilet, and a freestanding bathtub. It's located at the corner of the house, so we have 2 windows. There is a walk-in closet. It's nice because all bedrooms are all pretty big. At the end, let's have a look at the finished basement. It's open concept. There is a very large room. It's up to you if you want to use it as an entertainment room or bedroom or study room. The furnace and the washer dryer are there. There is an additional washroom in the basement, which is a plus. This is the end of today's video. If you are interested in any property type, neighborhood, or price range, please feel welcome to talk to me. I'll be more than happy to arrange showings or take virtual tour videos for you. My service is 100% free. See you in next video.